Bowling Green. This is going to be race 7, correct?
Maybe 8. Yes, it is 7.
Race 7. We're on the driver meter right now to see what poison we draw. Everybody here is a poison. Everybody here is fast as fuck, boy. It's hot. Track's gonna be greasy. Kind of sleazy weezy by wheezy. So we'll do a little slip and slide. Everybody gonna be slipping and sliding this hot track. About to see who go down it faster though. Then find out who we draw. So we'll find out in just a minute. We drew a whole ass bear again. I'm gonna sharpen our claws and fight back. You know? Ace Slater ain't no punk. He was number 2 in points last year. He had a cool hot rod, fast hot rod. We gotta try to get this W and put him in a loser bracket. Did it again.
Shook?
No, it
Spot it again?
Go ahead.
So, we've been fighting an electrical problem since the semis last week. We raced Robin, and you can see and hear, you know, whoa, I got out of it. I can't afford to hurt this damn thing right now. Shout out to Fuel Tech. They sent all new boxes over. I mean, every box in the car is replaced. Trying to figure out what the problem is, and the goofy little ugly dude behind the camera, he found a short in one of the wires and the ignition kill switch. It was a little loose and wobbly, so hopefully that's the problem. Hopefully it's fixed. If I ain't got to lift from it going do, I'll be happy. So when it goes 90% of the time your motor finna go holler at your boy. So let's put big prayers up.
the way back?
You want to go run the valve?
Whoop, whoop.
You got to climb up and put your hand up. Alright. Pull that forward. Get it put it on the back of it.
What?
The gold nut that fell on
Here's another one. Give me 1 second, babe. We're gonna go walk over. You can come walk over here with me. Come on. So, we drew Lucky Chip, me and Scooter both back in. How you doing, babe?
She's wanting to know if you remember from White Castles last year.
A little taller this year.
She's waited all night to just ask you that.
So yesterday, we had a little bit of hardship. Blew some headers apart. The car was still cutting out. We got that fixed, thank God. Our first pass was first round against Nate. A lot of other guys got some data, we did not, so this is our first stab at it. Was against Nate last night for round one. We ran within a half a car of him, so I was pretty happy of that. Just being our first pass here, you know, different air, different temperature, different track. They got 2 licks, that was our first one. I told him before we even left the line, I said, man, as long as this thing don't go or break, I'm happy. And like I said, we run within a half a car of him, so I was happy. Nothing to hang my head about. Come back, found another header tube blowed off. Todd wadded up last night. Got her back together, got her serviced. Ready to go to first round today, second round today. Try to get some points, try to stay in the show. You know, we drew back in, we drew Lucky Chip. Nate put us out, and a couple Lucky Chips. Me and Scott Taylor both drew those, along with Kayla, Dean, and Birdman. So we gotta just keep striving, keep getting points, keep going rounds. The more rounds we go, the more points we get, the higher we go.
Want to take a picture with me? Yeah. Can we take this one on and put this one on? All right. Yeah. I'll get Mike to take the picture.
Mike said, you want me to take a picture? Mike said, you putting me to work?
Just smile. Thank you, buddy. Thank you for coming.
Yes, thank you.
Well, now what's the matter, Heather? You getting warm now?
Over the land of the free and the home of the free.
Got a good drum. Nobody here fucking slow, but Yeah, man, give me the small one. Pick it up, put it back. We'll break it down, hold it on, put it, weld it back. All the welding stuff's out. I got one over there. Yep, then you got to hook all the electronics. Back cord line. Hottest tune-up we ever had with Drew Murdenova. That dude's a fucking soldier, so we finna send this motherfucker. Scott finally looked at me and said, Bob, I'm fixing to send this bitch. I said, okay, let's get it.